Alright, good afternoon everybody. So I'm back in my garden. Right, just coming out to check on everything. Today is August 26th, I believe. And yeah, I wanted to come out, see what our garden looks like. Alright, so we start over here with the cucumbers. You see my cucumbers are not doing too bad, you know. Like I said, I had to get this plant back together, you know, but it's doing better. Right, see, we got a lot of cucumbers growing over there, down over there, and over here on my pepper tree, pepper plant rather. See, I got some peppers, some more peppers growing there. This is the Big Bertha bell pepper. It says, yeah, it's Big Bertha bell pepper. Doing okay. Over here's another pepper plant. It's another Big Bertha. I don't see too much growing here except for we still got a bunch of buds on there. So hopefully those will start developing. And over here, another bell pepper right there. It's doing okay. Not too much going on there, but it's doing all right. And over here is our cantaloupe. See, my cantaloupe's doing still doing good, right? So keep an eye on that. Definitely keep an eye on that one. Let's go over here to the eggplants. Go on my eggplants right there. That one is doing real good. That one's just about ready to come off. Over here is my sweet potato. So what I got to do now is take these off, put these in some water so I can get some roots. Once I get the roots, then we'll plant them, and hopefully we'll have some sweet potatoes. Over here's my banana peppers. You see, these are doing pretty good. Pepper there, one right there. Some more buds up there, so this one is still doing good. This is the other eggplant. Now this eggplant right here, I've gotten no eggplants off of it yet. And this one right here is starting to develop, so hopefully we get some eggplants off of that before the summer is out. Then over here, you see my Black Beauty eggplants right there. They're still doing good. They're hanging in there. Those should be ready in a couple more weeks. Swing around over here to our tomatoes. Tomatoes are doing good. See there? Got a couple down over there. Look how nice and bright those are. Those are really gonna be tasty right there. Some more up there. A couple more right there. Those are doing real good. Those look like they're gonna be really, really tasty. Can't wait to taste those. Then over here on this one, I think I got a dud with this tomato plant. This one gave me one tomato this year so far. I don't see nothing else trying to grow on it, so it happens. See, we got a couple of buds right there, but let's see how that works out, right? Yep, so let me go ahead and get these off of here. Make sure I don't have any bugs in them. Look at that. That is nice, right? Nice and red right there. That's gonna be a nice sweet tomato right there. Let me grab these two. Look at that. That is lovely. Look at that one. Tell you, it's nothing like growing your own vegetables and fruit, everybody. Like I always say, make sure you get out there, get you a pot of dirt, soil, and grow something. Trust me, you will be satisfied how fresh everything tastes when you grow it on your own. All right. So again, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. If you haven't done so already, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, along with that notification bell, so you'll know when I post another video. All right. Thanks again. I'll talk to you in the next one.